Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back for those of you who are already subscribed. Sorry for playing with my hair, but I'm Jemia and this is my YouTube channel. And so today I am coming at you guys with a hair review. It is a review on this hair that I'm rocking right here that you can see is bomb.com, sis. Okay, like I can't keep my hands out of it because I'm just feeling myself so much right now. But okay, yeah, this is a hair. Let's just jump into the video.
Yeah, I don't think this wig is big head friendly just off of the vibes I'm getting right now. So let's see. Just try to slide her, but I don't really like to wear, I like to leave some of my hair out with my wigs normally anyways. So this is how it will look on my forehead. So I guess it's kind of snug. So, I don't know. If you got a big head, it's like a little iffy because this is a bit tight. Like it's very snug on my head, but she looks cute, bitch. Like, pop out like what? So we're gonna go ahead and like customize it and stuff. Shit. Yeah, we're gonna go customize it. I'm thinking I'm gonna cut the lace off and put my edges out in the front. That's what vibe I think I'm gonna go for. I'm just going to take out like the perimeter of my hair. And then you just want to, I couldn't find nothing else to tie my hair down with, so I'm going to attempt to tie it down with this big t-shirt.
Okay, so I took the scarf off after laying my edges. I'll take some concealer in the part. Okay, this is the finished product. So let's get into the details of this. Kind of all over the place because this was not a planned video. I didn't write nothing down, so kind of scatterbrained. So my earring. So today I have on the Freetress Equal Freedom Part Lace Front Wig, and this is in the style 204, and this is the little card or whatever that comes with it. It's a freedom part, so you can wear it to the side, you can wear it to the middle, or you can wear it to the other side. Like, you can shift. It's not lace all over, it's just lace here, but you can change it to either side you want to change it to. And I got it in the color 1B. It says it's curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. Sis, let me just say, okay, if you cannot tell already, I'm obsessed. Like, I haven't had long black hair in like forever. My color has been red for a while, so I'm obsessed. I'm just obsessed. I'm in love with it. This hair right now, I'm loving it. Like, it is bomb. The quality, top notch. You can't tell me that this is a $20 synthetic wig. Like, no, sis. This is $300 hair right now that I got on. This is like an initial review. Basically, I can't like go into detail about the quality of the hair just because I'm just now trying the wig on. Like, this is my first time wearing it. So, but I can give details on straight out the pack. Straight out the pack, there I got a couple of strands, but not excessive. I got maybe like 2 or 3 strands, and I just got 1 strand. But like I said, this is a $20, $30 wig, so you know that's expected, but it's nothing crazy. I haven't gotten any tangles yet, like no tangles at all. The luster, it's a very high luster, but it's very natural looking, if that makes sense. Like, the luster looks like how bundles look, like how Brazilian hair looks or virgin hair. That's how this hair looks. It doesn't have the like synthetic type look. It's not super shiny and fake looking, and the density, I feel like, is what really makes this wig great. Like, the density is perfect, because a lot of time with straight synthetic wigs, they're really hit and miss in my opinions, and most of the time it's like a miss, because you can just, I can always tell like when a straight wig is synthetic. Like, it just has that kind of fake wiggy look to it. Like, it'd be too thick, the luster's too high, something about it is just giving away that it's a synthetic wig. This hair is unclockable, okay? Excuse my sweatpants, but it comes all the way down to my booty, okay? And I am 5'4", so yes, it comes all the way down past my butt. And with this hair, I am gonna come back in like 2 to 3 weeks to show you guys how it held up, like if it held up or not, because that's the real question. Let me breathe, because I'm a little out of breath. But that's the real question with most synthetic wigs. Like, of course, it's gonna look good straight out the pack, but the question is, how long does it hold up? Like, we wanna know. Well, I know when I'm watching videos, I wanna know, like, so did it last? Like, is it gonna last me like a week and then I'm gonna have to throw it out? Like, those type of details. That's really the big question. But right now, this hair is a 10 for me. Like, it's getting an A+. I'm obsessed. Sis, all the reviews is correct. This hair is bomb. It is great. Like, we got inches for $30, $20, $30. 30-inch hair for $20 to $30. You can't beat that. And even if this hair only lasts a week, type of person I am, I'll buy like 4 of them and just rotate them and wear them like that. That's how like much I'm loving it right now. It's just like a vibe. They got it like spot on with the density and like the cut of the hair. The cut is kind of like that V-shaped cut, and so good. And like I said, I got a 1B. Oh, the shipping, I got it from Wig Types, and I was very impressed with the shipping. Also, it wasn't supposed to be here until next week, and I ordered these on Wednesday. It's Friday, and I got my hair. So literally like 1 to 2 days, I got this hair. So that's great. I'm ranting and raving, baby. Like, I'm in love. I love it. I love it. Speedy shipping, great pricing, great quality. I feel like I covered like all that I could really cover right now. So, I mean, if I did leave anything out, please comment down below and like let me know what I left out, and or ask me. I will respond. And yeah, let me know what you think about the hair. Do you like it? Is it a yes, sis? Or is it a no? Is it a flop? I'm tripping? Do I look crazy? Or do I look bomb? Like, let me know. Comment down below how y'all feel about this hair. If y'all feeling like how I'm feeling about this hair, let me know down below, because I'm feeling like a bad bitch, okay? That's what I'm feeling like, okay? I don't know if y'all feeling like that, but I'm feeling like that. Y'all should be feeling like that, because y'all bad bitches, okay? But I'm really feeling like y'all should get this wig, then you'll really feel like a bad bitch like me. Like, we can feel like a bad bitch together, you know. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, girl. Go get you. What we gonna call her? We gotta name her. We gonna name her Jasmine. She's giving me Jasmine vibes. I don't know what about this is giving me Jasmine vibes, but we gonna name her Jasmine. Sis's name is Jasmine. This is the Freedom part lace front wig in the style 204, and mine's is named Jasmine. So sis, go get you one so Jasmine can have her sister and we can be twins and all of that good stuff. Like, okay, and let me know how you feel about Jasmine, like, down below. Let me know. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Like, comment. Also follow me on social media. It is the same as my YouTube name, Jemia, so you can keep up with me, stay connected with me, all that good stuff. I have lots of videos coming, and yeah, bye guys.